Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change Ethernet driver settings, so how to manage the setting on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu. Now here in the menu, go to Preferences, then go to Network, and here we want to go over to Ethernet driver settings. So here we can automatically detect those settings or turn it off, and here change the communication mode to full duplex or half duplex, and also the Ethernet type. So from 10 base T to, let's say, 100 base TX, we can change it right here, or we can just automatically detect it. And also here we have our MAC address. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.